Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. The 50-30-20 budget rule is a simple yet effective strategy to take control of your finances. It's designed to help you allocate your income in a way that meets your needs, funds your wants, and secures your future. Here's how it works. Start by dividing your after-tax income into 3 categories. The first 50% goes toward needs, the essentials you can't live without. This includes housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. These are your non-negotiable expenses. Next, allocate 30% to wants. These are the things you enjoy but don't necessarily need, like dining out, entertainment, shopping, or hobbies. This portion allows you to enjoy life while staying financially responsible. The remaining 20% is for savings and debt repayment. This is the money that secures your future. Use it to build an emergency fund, contribute to retirement accounts, invest in assets, or pay down high-interest debt. This category is crucial for long-term financial stability. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is its flexibility. If your needs exceed 50%, you can adjust by reducing spending on wants or increasing your income. Similarly, if you're saving aggressively for a goal, you can shift money from wants to savings. The key is maintaining balance while keeping your financial priorities in check. To start using the 50-30-20 rule, calculate your after-tax income and track your expenses. Many budgeting apps can help you automate this process, making it easier to stick to your plan. Adjustments may be necessary as your financial situation changes, but that's the beauty of this rule. It adapts to your life. This simple budgeting framework can help you achieve financial peace of mind by ensuring your essentials are covered, your lifestyle is enjoyable, and your future is secure. Give the 50-30-20 rule a try and watch your money work harder for you.